Hi, thanks for accidentally clicking on my 2018 pasta run video. This year was a little bit different and the edit's going to be a lot more raw, simply because these videos obviously take a long time to produce. Not many people watch them, funny enough. It really is just a sort of a keepsake for myself and anybody else that's interested from the event, and you know, whoever else happens to watch it, it's just a bonus. This year I couldn't actually drive my own car because I don't own an Alfa Romeo at all anymore. I sort of traded my Alfas in, and don't be confused by the fact that the GTV that I was in last year is still behind me. I actually sold that to one of my sons, so that was his car. He wasn't going on the thing, so I was going solo, and I couldn't take my new toy, which is behind me now, because obviously that's not Italian. So lovely though it is, I'd already gate crashed one Ferrari event in that and was told to park it on the verge. Yeah, I couldn't go in that, so thankfully one of the guys from the Alfa Club, a guy called John, invited me along in his Alfetta, 80s Alfetta, which was beautiful, and he even let me drive it at the end, so really appreciative of that. Roll the video.
But if you're looking to buy another one, say again.
I think there's only 3 in WA, isn't there?
This is the latest edition.
Oh, is it?
Hang on.
Oh, says it may be 4.
Ferrari Club members, everybody on the pasta run, if you could come close here, we've got just a very quick briefing.
Right, so what's our tripometer reading?
We're on 004. So I've reset it to 0.
Yep.
So we're turning right.
Keep left. Yep. Turn right, Morrison Road. Is that one? Yep, okay, good. So turn right to Morrison Road. Ultra something, no idea. 2.9, let me know where I'm at 2.9.
2.9?
Keep straight on across Row Highway in Morrison Road.
Right.
See, that's the other thing. Maybe I don't get another 916 GDB. I get a Spider or I get a GT.
K's we at? 10. So we take left on Brooking, is that right?
Yeah, turn left onto Brooking.
Oh, okay. We're going to lane again.
Look at that lineup.
It's always encouraging when you catch up to the rest of the pack.
Yes.
I'm going to say, it's much easier with a navigator.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. Although it didn't help me last year. Sorry, JD. So what K's are we at? Because I must confess, I've suddenly lost the plot.
60.3.
Oh crap, okay. Have we turned right onto Landswood yet?
I don't think so.
Okay, that was at 59.6. So if we're at 60.3, it's probably coming up.
Must be just coming up, so it's on a right hand turn, isn't it?
Yep, turn right onto Landswood Road. Hopefully we're not lost. And then we got two big dippers. Oh, these are great. Going on this year because we haven't got lost once, so
It's been confusing not being lost.
yeah, why haven't we got lost? We're still on track. Feels like you're going to nose into the ground there. The roller coaster road.
We might.
Yeah. It really does your head in these. I was coming the other way down these, chasing a couple of Lambos one year. The first year I bought the silver GDB.
Holy shit!
Yeah. don't ride your brakes either because you burn them out. It's insane. I did these in my Chrysler and ended up with no braking by the end of the second one because I was just riding them.
I don't think I've ever been on this road.
This is a great road. not the view. The view's behind us. It's the 4C, followed by a Spider, followed by a Ferrari 360.
Darling, right there.
Oh, here we go, some more. I haven't been navigating, sorry.
Right, I think we're just heading back into town now.
So, yeah, I think we are. I think everybody knows where they're going from here.
Just what's the turn off?
What road are we on now?
We're on
Row Highway?
Row Highway, yeah.
Alright. My sunglasses almost into the front of his car.
Oh shit. Are they expensive?
No. I was more worried about the front of his car, but he missed it. That's Frank Ferrari in it, beautiful. Pull it in a bit, because otherwise I'll get the wind noise. He's hiding from my. He doesn't throw anything else out the out the window.
Let it fix itself.
Yep, let it sit there and fix itself.
It's getting a bit hot in there too.
Yeah. Well, we didn't get lost this year, so I don't know what went wrong there. And we didn't break down, so that's good.
Might have been an overheated brake.
That's a 488, isn't it?